In this video, we are going to learn how to log in your DeepSeek account using your Google ID. First, you have to open up Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in DeepSeek. After that, you'll see this page where you have to click on this Start Now option. Now here on the bottom side, you can see this Login with Google option. Click on it. Now it may take some time to verify it. After that, you can see your different Google account here. From there, you can choose any of the account that you want to open DeepSeek with. So click on your Google account. Now click on Continue. Following the simple and easy step, you have successfully logged in into your DeepSeek account using Google account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.